Hello and welcome back to the Prady Academy YouTube channel. I'm Michelle, and in today's video we're going to be chatting about outsourcing accounting services. Now, outsourcing accounting services is a great way to save time, money and your sanity, and it can be difficult for many business owners to find the time or expertise required in order to keep up with the level of paperwork that comes from running a successful company. So with that said, we're going to examine how outsourcing these services can help you improve your efficiency as well as your bottom line. Accounting is one of the most difficult professions to master, and most accountants have many years behind them of education, training, and experience. Many accountants work towards either one or multiple certifications. So you'll find chartered accountants, certified public accountants, certified managerial accountants, enrollment agents, and the list goes on. Each certification is useful depending on whether the accountant wants to focus on financial accounting, taxes, auditing, or general business. Each certification does have rigorous requirements that require many hours of study, experience, and testing. In most cases, the requirements for certification are overkill for what is used in daily business life. So if your accountant isn't certified, it definitely won't impact on their ability to ensure or have a drastic effect on the long-term success of your company. What it does reveal, though, is how serious the accounting industry is about producing top quality or talented accountants. Accountants also work with many different businesses on the daily. So by outsourcing your accountant, you're able to enjoy the advantage of avoiding mistakes that other businesses have made that your accountant has been able to solve. Accounting can be frustrating, so your accountant has had many wins in their career. This shows that they have the moxie and resolve to ensure the continued success of your business. For most small and medium-sized businesses, hiring and training a quality accounting team can be an expensive and resource-intensive process, and even retaining the best talent can be a headache. Because the needs of a business can change throughout the year, it's easy to adjust to an accounting team through an outsourcing company. By outsourcing your accounting, you're essentially passing on the headaches that you would have had onto them. And this allows you to free up time to focus on the business functions that add value to your business. The long and the short of it is you're free to do what you're best at, and they can do what they're best at, which is add to your bottom line. They say every penny saved is a penny earned. And firstly, you'll save on large amounts of money that you would need to spend that would go into office facilities, software, office machines, and supplies. And not only do you get to bypass the headache of maintaining staff, but you'll also save on the salaries and payroll taxes that you would have had to spend on in-house accountants. By outsourcing, you will have access to the latest technologies and innovations without the additional cost. They will save you, or they will find you money you didn't even know you had. So for example, did you know that when the pandemic hit or the coronavirus hit, Congress passed several laws aimed at helping businesses survive the anticipated economic impact? If you didn't know this, your accountant already did, and they already had several strategies in place in order to help you benefit. In addition to this, the tax laws also change every year. By outsourcing your accounting, you'll partner with accountants who are on top of these changes and help you get access to the help and tax deductions that will enable you to thrive, especially during these difficult times we find ourselves in. For simplicity, many small and medium-sized businesses opt for the cash basis of accounting. So what this means is that revenues are recognized when cash is received and expenses are recognized when cash is paid. And although it does save time, you do lose out on finding out what your true financial position is. So for example, if you prepaid some expenses like rent or insurance, you may have more cash available than you think you do. An outsourced accounting team is likely to prefer to use the accrual basis of accounting because this gives you insights into the financial health of a company. So the accrual basis of accounting will recognize and record transactions when they occur. For example, if you had to buy a $20,000 distribution truck to be used for the next 10 years, under the cash basis, you would expense the $20,000 when you paid for it, and this would make one year look bad and all the other years look good. Under the accrual basis, you would depreciate it as being used over the next 120 months. As you are using the asset, you are likely generating a profit from using the asset. An outsourced accounting team can create accurate and timely financial reports so that you're able to predict future revenue and costs. This will help you make well-informed decisions for the long-term success of your business. With the accrual method or the accrual method of accounting, all sorts of metrics are now available to tell you exactly how you're doing, and where performance is measured, performance improves. Outsourcing your accounting services to a team of experts is a wise investment for your business. The right partner can help you increase your bottom line and avoid the headache of hiring employees. They'll also give you guidance on the best way to manage the risk in each area of your business so that nothing falls through the cracks. You will be able to save time by not having to worry about staying up to date with technology and billing cycles. Having an expert staff available who has years of experience within the industry and who's continuously looking for ways to improve efficiencies as well as reduce costs is one of the best ways that your business can gain a competitive edge. And having access to a team of professionals dedicated solely to handling all matters relating to your finances and taxes not only gives you a better vantage point or puts you in a better position from a risk management standpoint, but it also means that you will have funds available for other pressing needs that arise within the company. As always, we trust you found this video insightful, and should you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions for future content that you'd like to see, please feel free to drop it in the comments section below. Please also join us on our social media platforms such as LinkedIn and Facebook, or at our website at proteafinancial.com. Protea Academy, striving to achieve better accounting for everyone.